that the green igneous rock we're looking for?
Hey, yeah! A green igneous rock!
Is this what I said?
Oh, it's stuck in there.
Use the hammer.
Oh, great idea! Gotcha.
Okay, what colors do we do next?
Let's remember the colors. Green, red, purple.
Red.
There, Rudy!
Yeah, got it.
Only one more rock to go.
Ooh, I remember. Purple.